All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back, and let's jump into this chart. So yesterday, we had some comments down below in the video, and I want to say thank you to every single investor's opinion and sharing their thoughts. I'm really thankful for some of the constructive criticism and also the information in regards to how some investors felt. And I want to state to everyone that everyone has their own opinion, and I state clearly that in this stock there's a lot of risk, and it's looking very obvious that there's a lot of day trading and swing trading going on due to the behavior of the charts, right? How it spikes up and spikes right back down. We are seeing it hold up pretty well in a sideways movement from those lows of 42 cents. I've always said when it gets to 46 cents, 45-cent range, we need to watch it. That was yesterday's support, and it bounced back from that. So it's doing a really good job at staying above that point. So even though there are investors jumping in on this just for a day or for a few hours, and there's a lot of swing trading and day trading going on with this, the stock is being held by many more investors that are long, because if not, this would just fall. It would fall right back down to about the 20-cent range. So we're seeing the stock hold itself up. Now, we are with the risk of reverse split. We are with the risk that this is under $1. And we are with the risk of the fact that if you look at the financials and so forth, which is a true statement, they haven't been profitable at all. We need to watch all these things. But, everyone has their opinion and their own approach on what they want to invest in. I'm just here to share the cues as we could see. And this is why I like doing chart analysis. The fact that resistance was turned into a support. And once it gets turned into a support, the 50-day moving average got broken through. We hit newer highs. And this quickly leveled off, right, due to the volatility that this stock always has, at around 48 cents. So we got some numbers to see here, and when you look at it zoomed out, it's hanging out sideways and it's staying away from that 45 cent, 46 cent range, and it has not touched 42 cents again, because remember, 42 cents gets crossed, this will start to hit newer lows. So I did want to touch base on all of that, and again, I want to say thank you to all of you that shared your opinions. I respect them, and we are here to look at charts, no emotions, and not really think about the fact that, is it a good stock or not. There's no such thing as one stock's better than the other. There could be companies that are better than others, but stocks overall, everybody has their own opinion and their own approach. I am not invested in SNDL currently, and I'm just doing the videos to help everyone and, every investor's best interest and viewer's best interest. I've seen that there are viewers interested in watching this, and for the most part, consistently, it's the same viewers checking this out, and it's for a reason. So I'm going to continue following up with you guys on watching this. There could be a catalyst coming soon, and we've been watching it. And yes, there's better, ticker symbols within this same sector. But, it's not like you're going to hit a home run with those. This is not one of those that guarantees a home run either. But the risk is higher. The reward could be higher. So that's something to consider. And that's something to be aware of. But, again, don't base your due diligence and research solely off of one source. And specifically that one source being me. So I want you guys to be aware of that as well. I hope that my videos are helping many of you guys. And also check out how the chart behavior has an impact on how we look at this chart and what we need to see. But so far, like I said, if you are a long holder, there's that type of investor and you have hope and you see a bright future moving forward and seeing this go over $1, I respect that. That's a possibility, whether it's through reverse split or without a reverse split. And then there's those of you that day trade and swing trade this, and by looking at these videos, it should assist you by knowing, certain cues to make your own rational decisions as investors. So thank you guys for those of you that commented, once again, all of your opinions down below. And Also, thank you for those of you that consistently watch and see value in what I'm showing you guys and what I'm stating. So let's go ahead and see here. Resistance was broken through. We have a new resistance. And this is going to be a pretty narrow stretch here due to the fact that when this leveled off, it was kind of not for too long. It was the last couple hours of the day. And then we also want to see the highest point and the lowest point before it ran up. So yesterday's support was 45 cents. I want you guys to still keep in mind 46 cents is very important, 45, and then 42 in the downtrend. Now in the uptrend, we have some numbers here. We have obviously the high that we just reached was 50 cents. Then we have up here at 51, and then we have 52, almost 53 cents, right? It's like 0.001 away from it. So I would round that up to 53 cents. Those are the most important points right now, moving in the upward direction. But to narrow it down, the highest point reached today was 50 cents. That definitely needs to get broken through, but first the bulls need to break through this resistance level and work their way up to newer highs. So let's see our new support and resistance and where the 50-day moving average lies. So 50-day moving average is 47.26, right? 47 cents to the 26, right? Hundreds and thousands place. If that gets broken through, we'll end up back in bearish territory, and we need to keep that in mind and watch it carefully. Now, I'm not saying that if it gets broken through, the bulls have gained, less control over the chart and the bears are taking over, but you want to watch it carefully if it gets broken through. Now, before getting there, we have a support level, and that's 47.55. If 47.55 gets broken through, you want to see how the stock is reacting between support and the 50-day moving average, and if it's bouncing back up. You want to keep that in mind. Now, if it crosses both of them, we have the next support level, which is the lowest point before the run up, and that's 46.26. And then your next support level would be down at around 46 cents before getting to any other numbers. And then we got 45 cents down here at this point. So right now, before worrying about anything lower, we want to just keep in mind 47.55. Watch the behavior between support and the 50-day moving average. And if both of them get crossed, watch the behavior between the 50-day moving average and this support down here at 46.26, 25, give or take. You want to keep these points in mind. Now, on the other spectrum of things, what the bulls need a breakthrough to continue this momentum is the resistance. 48.91. Literally 49 cents. But to be exact, 48.91 needs to be broken through and turn into a support so that the bulls can continue the momentum in the upward direction, then reach 50 cents and pull further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. So I want to emphasize that the bulls need to break through this, because if they just hang out sideways, the 50-day moving average can start to loop back up and cross the price, and by default giving more control and leverage to the bears to then tear this down. I hope that with these cues, you guys are well equipped for tomorrow's trading day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're a first-time viewer and you felt encouraged or inclined to subscribe because you learned something new, please do so. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. Let's make some money.